Hey everybody, Jerry Wagner here, Vice President of HVAC Technical Training. This is the fourth in a series of videos to coincide with the GREE Sapphire Installation Manual. Although we are using the Sapphire as our working example, all GREE mini-split products are similar in their installation requirements. Let's start at page number 10 of the installation manual with the indoor unit installation. The mounting bracket for the indoor unit comes attached to the indoor unit from the factory. We need to find the horizontal center of the indoor unit. The 9000 BTU Sapphire indoor unit is 38 inches long. Half of that would be 19 inches, and that is the horizontal center. We need to mark the center of the indoor unit on the mounting bracket for future reference. You need to keep in mind that the center of the mounting bracket is not the center of the indoor unit. We need to remove the mounting bracket from the indoor unit. To do that, we simply remove the single shipping screw. And that's exactly what it is. It's a shipping screw. You're not going to need it again. You could remove it and lose it. Before we place the mounting bracket on the wall, we need to turn it around and once again mark the center point, now so that that mark is facing us. If you remember, you marked it on the back of the bracket, but now the back of the bracket will be against the wall. So you need to mark it again on the front of the bracket simply so that you can see it. If you're centering the unit on the wall, use the centering mark that you made on the bracket. We need to make sure the mounting bracket is level, so ultimately the indoor unit will be mounted level. We do not need to pitch the unit in order for it to drain. The condensate drain internal to the unit is properly pitched for drainage. It's time to mount the bracket to the wall. The bracket comes with 5 mounting screws, but I recommend using more. The legs of the mounting bracket are designed so that you could catch 2 16-inch on center studs. In this application, I'm only catching 1 screw in a stud. I'm going to use a total of 7 screws, so the other 6 I'm going to use wall anchors. I recommend placing a screw at the upper corners of the bracket. If the indoor unit is going to pull away from the wall, that's where it's going to happen. So best to avoid a sagging indoor unit by doing this now. Alright, that's it for now. The next video in this sequence will cover the installation of the outdoor unit. Thanks and talk to you soon.